Hello guys and welcome back to the channel, where today guys I'll be showing you how to buy Flixbus Ticket by cash. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to the Google Play Store or the App Store and download the application itself. Then log in with your credentials or register if you haven't already done that, of course. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and buy Flixbus Ticket by cash. So first of all, what you need to do is go and visit the Flixbus shop, ticket office, or unauthorized Flixbus travel agency. So if you have one in your city, tell the agent your departure, destination, and travel date, and you can pay in cash like that. Receive your ticket or booking confirmation. Cash payments are always accepted at official ticket sale points, although some locations may charge a small agency fee. So if you have in your city or town or wherever you live a Flixbus agency, you can go and do it by there. That's option 1. Option 2 is to buy it from the bus driver. If there are available seats, you can buy a ticket directly from the bus driver before. Arrive at the stop early, ask the driver if seats are still available, pay in cash, keep the receipt as it serves as your ticket. Just please note, buying on board is subject to seat availability. So basically sometimes you can of course not have the seats, and you can of course then lose your chance to travel where you wanted. So it's better to go and pay in advance through the application, through the website, or at an office. Some things to know: booking online in advance is often cheaper than buying on board. So on board sometimes it can be of course more expensive, and early bird fares are generally available only for online bookings. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So that will be everything for this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next one. Until then, as always, until next time, as always, bye guys.